In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to write good AI prompts in Notion. As you may already know, Notion's AI can be a powerful tool for writing, research, summarization, brainstorming, project management, and so much more. However, to truly unlock its potential, you need to craft your prompts carefully. The quality of the AI's output is directly linked to the clarity and detail of your prompts. So let's delve into how you can do just that using a simple and effective formula. The secret to writing strong AI prompts lies in using a systematic approach, which can be broken down into 5 essential components: role, task, context, requirements, and output format. These elements, when combined, guide the AI to produce high-quality, relevant responses. Let's explore each of these components to understand how they function within a prompt. Firstly, consider the role. This is where you define the AI's persona or perspective. By specifying a role, you guide the AI on how to approach the task at hand. For example, if you want the AI to provide insights into marketing strategies, you might instruct it to take on the role of a marketing consultant. This sets the tone for the entire interaction and aligns the AI's output with your expectations. Next is the task. Clearly describe what you want the AI to do. This could be anything from generating ideas, providing summaries, conducting research, or helping with project planning. Verbally outlining the specific task makes sure there's no ambiguity about what you're asking the AI to perform. The clearer the task, the more focused and relevant the AI's response will be. Moving on to context. This involves providing the AI with background information that frames the task. Context is crucial because it helps the AI understand the broader picture and constraints it should consider when performing the task. For instance, if you're using the AI to brainstorm ideas for a new product, you might include details about the target audience or existing market trends, giving the AI the background it needs to generate more accurate and tailored suggestions. The fourth component is requirements. Here you stipulate any specific criteria or constraints that the AI's response should meet. These requirements can be as detailed as necessary, covering aspects like tone, style, or content focus. For example, you might request that the information be concise, fact-based, or include certain key points that align with your goals. Finally, we have the output format. This guides the AI on how to present its response. Being specific about the format ensures the output is immediately useful without requiring further reshaping or editing. Whether you want a bulleted list, a detailed report, or a simplified summary, defining the format at the outset saves time and enhances productivity. With these elements combined, you can now craft prompts that harness the full power of Notion's AI. By clearly stating the AI's role, defining the task, supplying context, outlining requirements, and specifying the output format, you'll set yourself up for success in any project or task you undertake with Notion AI. So next time you work with Notion AI, try applying this formula and watch how it elevates the quality of your AI interactions. Thank you for watching, and happy prompting!